In today's world, there are more opportunities than ever to work online and make money. But with so many options available, it can be hard to know where to start. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss. We all want to work smarter and earn more money online, right? Well, you're in luck because we've got you covered. In this video, we will be sharing 10 valuable tips to help you achieve just that. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Set clear goals. The first step towards working smarter and earning more money online is to set clear goals. Take the time to define what you want to achieve. Whether it's increasing your income, launching a successful online business, or becoming a freelancer, having specific goals will help you stay focused and motivated. Clear goals provide direction and a sense of purpose, allowing you to prioritize your actions and make informed decisions that align with your desired outcomes. When you have a clear vision of what you want to achieve, you can create a roadmap and take the necessary steps to turn your goals into reality. Prioritize your tasks. To work smarter, it's crucial to prioritize your tasks effectively. Identify the most important and high-value tasks that will contribute to your online success. Prioritizing helps you allocate your time and energy efficiently, ensuring that you focus on activities that have the greatest impact on your income. By sorting tasks based on their urgency and importance, you can avoid getting overwhelmed and ensure that you make progress on the most crucial aspects of your work. Prioritization also helps you avoid procrastination and stay focused on the tasks that truly matter. Embrace automation tools. Automation tools can be a game changer when it comes to working smarter online. Look for tools and software that can automate repetitive tasks, such as email marketing, social media scheduling, or data analysis. By leveraging automation, you'll free up more time to focus on income-generating activities. Automating tasks not only saves time but also reduces the risk of human error and ensures consistency in your online operations. With the right automation tools in place, you can streamline your workflows, increase efficiency, and scale your online business without being bogged down by manual, time-consuming tasks. Master time management. Effective time management is a key skill for working smarter. Learn to manage your time efficiently by setting specific work hours, eliminating distractions, and breaking down tasks into smaller, manageable chunks. By optimizing your time, you'll increase your productivity and achieve more in less time. One effective technique is time blocking, where you allocate specific time blocks for different activities or projects. This approach helps you focus on one task at a time, minimizing distractions and improving your concentration. Additionally, utilizing the Pomodoro technique, which involves working in focused intervals followed by short breaks, can enhance your productivity and prevent burnout. Invest in continuous learning. In the fast-paced world of online work, it's essential to invest in continuous learning. Stay updated with the latest trends, tools, and strategies in your industry. Take online courses, attend webinars, and read relevant books and articles. The more knowledge and skills you acquire, the more valuable you become, opening doors to higher-paying opportunities. Continuous learning helps you stay competitive in the online marketplace, adapt to changes, and discover innovative approaches to grow your online income. Make learning a habit and dedicate time each week to expanding your knowledge and refining your skills. Network and collaborate. Networking and collaboration are crucial for expanding your online presence and increasing your income. Connect with like-minded individuals, industry experts, and potential clients through social media platforms, online communities, and professional networks. Collaborate on projects, share knowledge, and explore joint ventures to leverage each other's skills and resources. Networking allows you to build meaningful relationships, gain insights from others in your field, and open doors to new opportunities. By collaborating, you can combine expertise, expand your reach, and tap into new markets, ultimately boosting your earning potential. Streamline your finances. To work smarter and make more money online, you must have a firm grip on your finances. Track your income, expenses, and savings meticulously. Utilize tools like accounting software or financial apps to streamline your financial management. By understanding your financial situation, you can make informed decisions and optimize your income streams. Regularly analyze your expenses, identify areas where you can cut costs, and ensure that your income is being allocated effectively. By maintaining a healthy financial system, you can improve profitability, plan for growth, and make strategic investments in your online ventures. Leverage social media. Social media platforms are powerful tools for growing your online presence and boosting your income. Choose the platforms that align with your target audience and industry. Create engaging content, interact with your followers, and leverage advertising options to reach a wider audience. Social media allows you to build a strong personal brand, establish credibility, and attract lucrative opportunities. Engage with your audience, provide value, and cultivate a community around your online presence. By leveraging the power of social media, you can amplify your reach, drive traffic to your online platforms, and ultimately increase your earning potential. Diversify your income streams. Relying on a single income source can be risky in the online world. Diversifying your income streams provides stability and increases your earning potential. Explore different avenues such as affiliate marketing, digital product creation, freelancing, or consulting services. By diversifying, you have multiple sources of income, reducing the impact of potential fluctuations and ensuring a more secure financial future. Diversification also allows you to tap into different markets, cater to various customer segments, and adapt to changing trends or demands. Continuously evaluate and optimize your income streams to maximize your earnings and minimize risk. Stay persistent and adapt. Last but not least, stay persistent and be adaptable. The online landscape evolves rapidly, so it's essential to stay flexible and embrace change. Keep refining your strategies, adapting to new trends, and learning from your experiences. Success rarely comes overnight, but with persistence and adaptability, you can achieve your financial goals. Stay motivated, maintain a positive mindset, and be open to adjusting your approach when necessary. By persevering through challenges, staying resilient, and embracing opportunities for growth, you can work smarter and continually increase your online income. And there you have it. 10 valuable tips to work smarter and earn more money online. Remember, success in the online world requires effort, dedication, and continuous learning. Implement these tips, stay focused, and watch your online income grow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy earning!